Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy calls on Robinhood. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to buy calls, you need to head over to the stocks that you want to purchase. You can explore the list page, or you can simply tap on the search icon at the top right. Tap on the search bar and search for the stocks that you want to look for. For example, I would search for the Microsoft stocks. From the search results, select a particular stock, tap on it. It will open up the stocks page. Here you can see its graphs. You can even adjust the timeline of it. You can explore different descriptions about this stock. Now, in order to buy calls, here you can see the trade button at the bottom. It is not clickable right now for me because my account is not verified yet. But if you have a verified account, you can simply tap on this trade button and you'll see three different options. One is trade options, another is buy and then sell. You need to select the trade options, and after that you'll see the interface like this. Here at the top, you can see the buy and sell section. Make sure the buy is selected. And in the right hand side, you can see the call and put options. Now here, you need to make sure call is selected. You need to buy puts if you believe that the stock price is going to fall over the time. Otherwise, you can select the call option. After that, you'll see the interface like this. Here you can enter the amount of money that you want to spend to buy this stock. And right below that, you can see the limit price options. After you set the price, you can tap on this review button and continue the further process. So that's how you can easily buy calls on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.